Okay, so here we go. I don't know why I had page 21 up there, but and you guys have smallest, correct? All right, so we're not going to do anything with this problem until we know all the angle measures. Right, I need to know all the angle measurements of all the triangles. So let's get going here. Let's find all the angle measurements. Let's see, angle ADB, I have 60. And angle DBC, I have 57. Now I know, again, we don't understand the theorem if we just say, oh, you want the smallest? Let me see, the smallest angle here is 53. Across from 53 is BD, so my answer must be BD. No. What you just, if you say the answer is BD, what you're giving me is the smallest side in triangle BCD. Maybe not the smallest side in the entire diagram. It's definitely the smallest side in triangle BCD, but not necessarily is it the smallest side in the entire diagram. All right, so how do I figure out if it is? We take each triangle and we rank the sides. So let's go together, triangle ABD. And I don't have time for the numbers here. So ABD, smallest to largest. What do you got? What's the smallest one in ABD? That's what I thought. AD, it's across from 58. Followed by, what's the next one? BA. And it looks like the largest side's going to be BD. Do the same thing, but now let's go to triangle BCD. All right, you guys take a look. What's the smallest side in BCD? I think we already established that, right? That was BD. Hey, what's up next then? CD, biggest side, BC. All right, next. We only have two. It's either the shortest side in one triangle or the shortest side in the other. That's going to be the shortest one overall. So let's look at those two right now. AD and BD. If you rank them, there is no shot it can be BD. Look at your rankings. It can't be BD. You have already put two that were smaller than BD. No way can it be BD according to your own work. So it can't be BD. So the smallest one here is going to be AD. That's why we don't just look for the smallest angle. All right, but I'm going to do more than that for you on this honors test. We're going to rank them all tomorrow. So AD, gone. Is the next one BD? No. If you're saying yes, you're not looking at your own work. You have BD as the biggest side down here. There's one smaller than it, which is BA or AB. That's you wrote that BA was smaller than it. All right, then what's next? Finally, BD. And then out of the two that are left, you ranked them. Which one's smaller, CD or BC? Out of CD and BC, which one's the smaller one? You have them ranked here. CD and then BC. Okay, so be prepared to rank them tomorrow. Be prepared to rank them. Questions with that? I think there's another one below, but you can get to that later on your own. These I pulled out of the textbook. I just want your help solving them with me. All right, you don't have to break out your Chromebook and get these pages up here, but I also want you to show you why the textbook ones are also important to try. Everyone does everything in the packet and thinks they're ready, but the packet does not have everything, remember. That's why I do textbook questions in addition to it. True or false? To find the centroid, construct the angle bisectors. True or false? To construct the centroid, construct the angle bisectors. True or false statement? That is false. Yeah. This is like our vocab tomorrow. That is false. Oh, I got a follow-up, though. Replace angle bisectors, that would make it true. What should go in for angle bisectors that would make this a true statement? Go ahead, let's go. Medians. Right? The medians should be there. That would be a true statement. The medians would get me to the centroid. All right, number 14 up here. You don't need to read through it. I have three baseball players. I'm going to put a fourth in there. going to put a fourth baseball player, but I want them to be the same distance away from these three. Where should I put that baseball player? Using your vocabulary. I want to put a fourth player that's the same distance from the other three. Where should I put that fourth player? And I don't need like here. All right. Name, Aiden. I'm putting them at the Circum Center. So let's talk though. Why would I want to put that player at the Circum Center? What do you know about the Circum Center? It is. Oh boy. Equidistant from the vertices. The in-center is the angle bisectors. In-center angle bisectors. All right. Other than that, I think that's really what I had for you guys. I wanted to do together. Oh, nope. Actually, yeah, we're good. You guys don't have to do it. Actually, nope, sorry. I got three more I want to do with you. I'm going to give you three angles. Tell me which one's the bigger of the three. Not by looks either. Prove to me that they are. So I have 1, 5, and 6. Out of those three, which one's the biggest one? 1, 5, and 6. I'm starting real basic here, Gianna. Angle 1. Let's explain why it would be angle 1. What is angle 1? It is exterior, and it's always bigger than the two remotes. So that's why it's angle 1 here. Yep. All right, let's get a little more heated now. 9, 8, 3. 9, 8, 3. Which one's the bigger one out of 9, 8, and 3? Ooh. Well, let's do 2 at a time before we put in all 3. Let's do 8 versus 3. 8 versus 3. Who wins that one? 8, right? Because it's exterior. 3's remote interior, a part of a remote interior. All right, so we definitely know 3's out. Now let's look at 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Who wins there? Oh. What do you think, Joe? You got a 50-50 shot.
8.
All right, we got an 8. Could you explain why or no?
Because 9 and 7 are in your pairs, so.
Whoa. Let's even get more specific. How many degrees in angle 9?
Both 90 degrees.
Right? Hey, angle 9 is 90. Angle 7 is also 90. Now look at this triangle. Isn't 8 bigger than 7 because it's exterior? And if 7's 90 and 9 is also 90, that must mean 8 has to be bigger than 9. Okay, yes? 8's bigger than 7. Let me show you here. 8's bigger than 7. And 7 is equal, angle 7 is equal to angle 9. So substitute it in, 8's bigger than 9. And then this final one, oh, this is going to make you guys nuts. 4, 3, 2. 4, 3, and 2. This is one going to drive you nuts. 4, 3, and 2. Here's a hint. I know the last two have covered exterior angles. This has nothing to do with exterior angles. Nothing to do with exterior angles. Zeev, what do you think?
4.
What is angle 4 first? Everyone agrees angle 4 is 90. How many degrees total in every triangle? 180. So 2 and 3 also have to add up to what? 90. So that means if 4 is already 90 and 2 and 3 add up to it individually, 4 is going to be bigger than it. Yep. All right, good job. I like that little talk there. Do what you got to do. Okay, go do what you got to do. Packet work, textbook work, extra review up on Classroom.